Yo, Carson, what's up?
Ethan, what's up, man?
I'm good, man. What you working on there?
Come check it out. Come check it out, dude. So,
oh, wow.
Working on this design here. It is a shark. We're gonna machine that thing completely out of metal. If you actually want to come check this out, this is the overall design and kind of how it looks in the 3D space. But it's also gonna be massive, probably as long as this table here.
Oh my God.
And the other thing too is,
it's like 6 or 7 feet.
We're gonna paint it too. We're gonna source some really cool colors, so it's gonna be a big challenge. But
yeah.
First thing, we actually have to get permission. Shall we go talk to Peyton?
We shall. Let's do it.
Let's do it, man. I ordered some paint, so hopefully we get approved. But we got some paint on order.
What colors? Can you reveal that yet, or can't disclose that?
I'll say it's on the blue side with some really interesting reflective qualities. I think you guys are going to be very impressed by it.
Sweet.
Should we shoot the intro again? All right, y'all. I think Peyton's off of his call, so let's go talk to him.
Let's do it.
Hello, hello.
What's up, guys? How are y'all?
Doing good, doing good. How are you doing?
Good, good.
So, been working on some creative designs and put together this shark.
That's beautiful.
And cut together some...
yeah, we can kind of fit it together, slot and tab. I think I heard it's called the waffle design. It'd be really cool if we had one that was, you know, as long as us, like longer than us, because you can get that life size scale really quickly out of sheet metal. And then maybe if you had like a little baby one next to it too, because we have Family Day coming up in October.
That's right.
So that'll be kind of perfect to have like the big mama shark and then like a kind of a smaller baby one.
It's pretty awesome.
Do it.
2 thumbs up.
Yeah, 2 thumbs up.
Up.
We'll probably take those files and we'll probably throw them to our estimating department. And it sounds kind of weird, but the reason we'll do that is estimating can build the methods for it. So they'll add the welding operations, the laser cutting, the painting, and then from that we'll actually be able to make a job. So it'll take them a day or so to build the methods. Then from there we can send it to scheduling, and then they'll produce a job, and then you'll be able to track that job as it goes through the shop, and we can expedite it so it gets done sooner too. So
sweet.
Yeah.
Sweet.
And that'll be talked at the 9:45. It'll be all part. We'll all keep tabs on it. So that's the next step. Is I think we'll send it to estimating and get them to quote it for us. Mason may be able to help us too with that one. So you can throw it to Mason. He'd like to do that.
Sounds good. Yeah.
Shark Week begins.
Yeah, Shark Week.
Yeah. It does. Sounds good. So thank you very much,
Of
Peyton.
course, guys. Peace. Y'all enjoy. See ya.
And so what we'll do is we'll discuss the 2 jobs we need completed. We'll transfer the designs to him and Mason, and then Mason, who is Peyton's brother, he'll be able to hopefully help design the job that we need for this operation. We're really busy right now, the shop is, so it's going to be a tall task to get it through these different rungs of production while we're working and doing a lot of different jobs for different customers. So hear the sheet metal press going, but I don't think it's the shark that's on there. What's up, guys? Back again. Working on the estimating process today. I'm on the call here with Mason. Hey, how's it going, Mason?
Hey, Mason, what's up?
Good. How are you guys?
We're doing good. We're doing good. So wanted to hop on real quick with you. We're currently kind of leaving the design and consultation period. Then we also do want to do kind of a showcase shoot with this, and we're looking at a 2-week window to get that done. Okay. Sounds great. Well, Mason, thank you so much for your help on this. Sounds good. Let us know, again, if you need anything, and once you get that quote in, just give us word, and we'll keep the process going as far as the shoot's concerned. Okay, so we just talked with Mason. He's going to help put together the estimate or the quote. So for us, the quote is an important part of our process of putting a project through production. It essentially helps us outline the costs of the part, runtime, and other specifications, and importantly, it outlines the different steps in the process that we need to do in order to complete a part. We're done with quoting. Now we wait for the quote to come back, and once that's in, we're going to essentially start the process. It's going to find its way through the shop at each part. We'll follow it. We'll record step by step every part of the process. So the next step for us is to get in touch with Danny. That way we give him a heads up for our shooting purposes that a quote for this project will be coming in. Although I think he's gonna know it's coming in. It's a shark, you know, like you're gonna see a shark. Right, see you later, Danny. Good. All right, let's go talk to Danny. Sir Danny, how's it going, sir?
Good, Carson, how you doing?
Doing good, doing good.
Good. What do we got?
So, working on this metal shark design. I'll play you this animation we built with it. So, gonna make a giant 3D shark out of sheet metal.
All right, very cool design. We'll get it, and we'll get it on the machine and get it knocked out.
Awesome, thank you
All
again,
right,
sir.
thanks a lot, Carson.
See you later.
You bet.
Next step is wait on Mason to finish up the estimate. Once he gets the estimate in later today, then we'll effectively start. What is up, guys? So we're back today with the 3D sheet metal shark. Currently we're headed to the 9:45 board meeting. This is where we discuss active projects as well as some upcoming projects. So we'll see the metal shark up on the board and discuss the process of production and then head into it. Hopefully we'll get started today and looking forward to cutting. So let's get to it.
Coming up next is going to be the shark project. Current plan is to go ahead and get it set on the 1030 to quickly get it cut, sent down to finishing for just a quick deburr. After that, we'll send it down to temp to get it nice and solid, and then bring it back to cover it in a nice powder coat of Kraken blue.
What is up, guys? We are here today in our sheet metal department here at Regal Research, and today marks an important day in our challenge. It is officially production day number 1 of our shark design. So looking forward to getting production started and seeing how the design takes shape. With that being said, we're about to head over to Brennan, one of our super talented sheet metal programmers, to get cutting. And I believe we're cutting on the 1030 machine today, so looking forward to it. Let's go. Yo, Brennan.
Hey, what's up, Carson?
Not much. You ready to cut this shark today?
Oh yeah, got the program loaded up, test it out. Let's hit start.
Sweet, let's do it, man. All right, how we looking?
Looks pretty good.
Wow. Look at that, man. Straight out of the computer. That's crazy. Look at that.
Sometimes you gotta be careful trying to break those micro joints, because if you just go for it right away, the material is gonna give the quickest way possible, and that might just remove material from the part. I'm very excited to see this thing put together. Even more excited for that big one.
Kobe.
Shark in the water.
Shark in the water.
Shark in the water.
Go.
Okay, I think we're good.
Sweet. Next step is to cut the big boy.
Next step, the biggin. Oh. I don't know how my sister handles it.
I love this song.
I'm totally putting the song over the cutting process. Oh, we're back again with the shark part. This time we're cutting the big boy. See how it goes. All right, we're pulling off the final pieces, marking the end of cutting on the shark piece. Thank you, 1030, for all your help. What is up, guys? We are out here at our 10th Street facility today. We just wrapped up the initial welding process on the shark part, the smaller shark to be exact. So with that being said, let's roll back the footage and see how it all came together. We are in the welding booth again, about to get started on finishing the baby shark. As you guys saw last time, we started the initial welding process, and we're about to finalize the welds on the baby shark, and then we'll move on from there. Still have the big shark to do, which will be, I'm sure, more of a challenge on our end. But also to note, at this point in the video, you've seen my shirt change like 11, maybe 12 times. Put a shirt counter up there. That is due to the fact that we've been insanely busy here at Regal over the past month, and we've got a showcase challenge ahead of us. This will be part of what we have yearly at Regal, which is a family day. So now we're tasked with showcasing our design, not only to the company, but to our family members. And this will involve suspending, hanging, and then creating a cohesive showcase with lighting and other elements. So you'll see that process. It's completely new territory for us. So we'll figure out how we're going to present this and walk you through that as well. But without further ado, let's get to welding. What do you think, Dustin?
Sounds great.
Let's do it. What is up, y'all? We're back here at our 10th Street facility. As you just saw, we finished the welding process on the smaller shark, and after that we spent yesterday getting the larger shark prepped, getting it ready for welding, and now it's ready to go. So let's see how this larger shark comes together. All right, y'all, so we got our paint here. The sharks have been welded, as you guys saw. So I'm headed over to our paint department where we'll start applying our powder coat. This is Kraken Blue, and excited to see how it looks on the finished shark. So let's head to paint. All right, guys, so I'm standing in front of the shark right now. It just came out of the oven. It is finally, paint has finally set. So with that being said, it's time to show you guys what the final look is of the shark and how the paint turned out. Check it out. What is up, guys? So we're back. As you can see behind me, we have the big shark. We just finished painting it. Just to note, we did apply a coat of clear vision to both sharks. This will help enhance the texture of the paint, the crack in paint, and solidify the overall look of the shark. So with that being said, this officially marks the end of production of both sharks. It was an excellent production run. We learned a lot from this sort of design process. The puzzle piece shark was definitely something to learn from, and excited to see what challenges we're able to tackle moving forward. But with that being said, the only thing left to do is to showcase this thing, is to put it on display. So looking forward to our open house family day coming up next week, where we'll put this thing on display for the first time and show it off to our families and to the world. So let's take a look, take a deep dive with the big shark, and we'll show you around. Yeah, as you can see, this is not a small shark. It is relatively big. Definitely pushing 7 feet in length from tip to tail, and it's got to be, with its fins, about 3-4 feet wide. So pretty massive, pretty massive. And yeah, just look at that paint though. What is up, guys? So it is now Monday. On Saturday we had our open house, our family day here at Regal Research, and it was an awesome success. It was great to have everyone's family and friends down here and show them around our facilities. And as you can see, we had something very special planned for them behind me. We went ahead, suspended the shark, and had a showcase to show everybody the work we've been putting in on that project. And now it's your turn to see the results. So without further ado, let's take a look at it. Let's see it. All right, y'all, that marks the end of our sheet metal shark project. I want to say a special thank you to everybody here at Regal Research who helped make this awesome project possible. With that being said, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow us for more awesome manufacturing related content. And on that note, let us know down in the comments what y'all want to see next. What crazy concept should we manufacture? I'm looking forward to seeing all your ideas, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.